What's good, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Boss. So today we're going to be comparing we're not going to be comparing, we're going to be putting these two phones side by side. So I've got the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Did a lot of videos about this, so yeah, do go check it out on the channel. And yeah, I did an unboxing, compared it with another phone. Yeah, it's all over the place. Go look for that video. Yeah, I'm going to be putting it against the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This phone, absolutely amazing. But yeah, anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take the case of this one and we're gonna get right straight into it. Whew. Oh my God. Wow, just taking the case off, and wow, my love for the S20 Ultra has just come back. As you guys know, I've been ranting on about how good this phone, this Note 20 Ultra looks, and yeah, I've been like, wow, looks amazing. But yeah, I mean, actually taking off the case from this phone from such a long time, I'm like, wow, wow, amazing. I'd rather have this over this. The only big difference with these phones is the camera module. That's the only thing I don't like, because as you can see, this is the dog's shizzle. Look at that. The module is just, I keep talking about the module on this phone, and I can't tell you guys how awesome and how amazing the module looks. Look at the S20 Ultra. It's not that fun. And then look at both of them. Yeah, the Note is very, 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 very exciting, very welcoming, if I do say so myself. But yeah, when the Note 20, when the S20 Ultra came out, people were like, wow, look at the camera module. Even me, I was like, wow, look at that camera module, absolutely amazing. And then they bring this out, and I'm like, that looks amazing. But yeah, just the camera module on this makes me literally want to upgrade from this to this. I'm not going to do that because you guys already know I'm a big S series fan. I'm not a big Note series fan at all. I'm literally not a fan of the Note series at all. But I mean, this one is just absolutely immaculate. It's just absolutely awesome. But yeah, anyway, guys, before I start this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also turn on your post notifications so you're alerted when I upload a video. And yeah, anyway, yeah, let's just continue. Anyway, so basically, this video is not like a verse video. I'm not going to be roasting the hell out of this one and then roasting this one and then putting them side by side and saying what they can do, what they can do, and whatever. This is not that video at all. There's other people on the YouTube platform that's going to do that for you, but this video I'm just going to have a look at both of them, tell you my thoughts on difference, tell you what's different about them, what's the same, you know, just you know, go a little bit round the phone and, you know, get my thoughts and feelings about the phone. But yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. But yeah, anyway, going from the back, looking at the phones from the back, yeah, as you can see, it's a no-brainer. The S20 Ultra is made out of glass from the back, and the Note 20 Ultra is obviously made out of some kind of plastic kind of touch feeling to it at the back. But yeah, glass or matte finish, I go for the glass because it gives it more of a premium look. It gives it more like a luxury look to it, and it makes it feel more expensive and look more expensive. Because if you look, sounds like glass. Let me do it properly. Sounds a little bit cheap, and bearing in mind, actually this is more expensive than this one. So, but yeah, this is still £1,000, £1,100, £1,000 for this phone. And yeah, it feels like that. I'm not really so sure about that. And then this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. It feels more robust. It sounds more beefier, kind of thing, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's kind of cool. And then obviously the camera module. I've told you guys about the camera module. Yeah, this takes a win. It looks absolutely beautiful. But yeah, don't get me wrong, this still has a beautiful, beautiful camera module, especially that 100 times zoom. Look at that. That 100 times zoom looks absolutely beefy. Like, look at that. Absolutely beefy. Look at the module in there. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely awesome. One thing this doesn't have, that this has. Awesome, but I mean, who really uses the 100x zoom? I don't, because it's just, the quality is not there at all. I mean, looking at it from some kind of perspective, the quality isn't that bad, but if you think about it in the real life, then it's literally, it's unusable photo or footage or anything like that. It's not that good. Yeah. Anyway, going to the design of the phones, both of them does look amazing equally. It looks awesome, but don't forget, one of them is a phablet and one of them is an actual smartphone, which is this one, this is the smartphone, and this is the phablet. So they're actually designed in a different way. They're designed to be used for the purposes for the smartphone, and then for the phablet, they're meant to be designed in that specific way, if you know what I mean. But yeah, the phablet has been designed to have a nice, more boxier look, to make the screen real estate a lot more better and more nicer to the eyes and appealing. So, and the display is so much more flatter, which gives it more of a phablet look, especially when you're using the S Pen. So you can use it so much more easier, touch the screen so much more easier, and yeah, it just gives it more of a big phone kind of vibe. So don't forget, this is meant to be like, it's meant to be a tablet and a smartphone. So it's meant to be in the middle. So that's why they call it a phablet, because it's a phone and it's a tablet. So it's kind of in the middle there of both. So they want it to look like a phone and they want it to look like a tablet. So this is the design you're gonna get. And then for this one, smartphone, nice curved kind of edges, which is always nice to see on a smartphone. So when you hold it, so it doesn't really stab the inside of your thumb up like this one would if you were to hold it. Yeah, that kind of hurts. So this phone is purposely made like this, so you're encouraged to use both hands, because when you use a tablet, you use both hands. So yeah, it's big enough for you to use with one hand, but it's more better if you use it with two hands, because you got a nice grip of it, you got your pen and you're dapping away and doing all your stuff that you are doing. And yeah, I also just noticed the lock button, and obviously I just noticed the lock button and the volume rocker, they're all on the right hand side of the device, which pretty cool, as you can see there. It's all on the, yeah, it's right there on the right hand side of the device, which is cool. And then on the top is pretty much the same thing, the same pattern and the same kind of idea and design. You got the SIM ejected over there and your mic up there, and then on the side is literally nothing. It's just plain. Looks beautiful. And on the bottom, they've done it a bit differently this time, yeah? They've done it a bit differently, yeah? They've done it a bit different. So basically everything is on the opposite side. So obviously you got your charging port in the middle, and then you got your speaker grills either side. But yeah, they've made it a little bit different, which, yeah, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. I'm not saying I don't like it. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, the Note 20 Ultra is nice, because obviously I had the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and boy oh boy, since like till today, I still believe the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus was beautiful. Still the best phone Samsung ever designed, especially with the design of the phone, like how curved the screen was. Just absolutely, it just felt it felt homely, like it felt natural, it felt like a proper phone. And then they had the S10 Plus, which I had, and I wasn't really a fan of it because it was kind of like this. It kind of looked like a phablet with the edges was much more kind of right angled, which didn't really feel that comfortable in my hand. It didn't really feel like I was using a phone. It felt like I was using more of a tablet. But yeah, but with this with the S20 Ultra, it's spot on. But I mean, I don't want to speak about the S8 because that's in the past, but for the present, it's good because it's nice and comfortable in the hand, especially using it without a case. And don't get me wrong, when you're using these devices without a case, this is when you're going to start appreciating how nice and how well these phones are actually built, because it feels so fantastic. But yeah, it's very nice, very nice. I mean, what can I say? Big props to Samsung for actually designing this phone. These phones look absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to see what obviously they have for us in store in the future as well. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna get my quick thumbnail over here. Anyway, that's my thumbnail. But yeah guys, don't forget to like the video. Also subscribe, share the video, and yeah, let's try and get my channel to 10,000 subscribers, because yeah, it's I'm on 2,000, and yeah, we're literally 8,000 subscribers away. So yeah, let's just get it. I'm just gonna put it out there. If it gets there, I'll be like, whoa, but probably won't. But yeah, anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.